Okay, camera stopped working on me. Well, it didn't stop working, it stopped recording. Basically, I'm using my phone and it seems like you can only record for about 17 minutes. I shoved that in, the second one, and I shoved the third one in. Give it a few taps. And you're done, right? So now we have two pieces. And those two can go into, sorry for hitting the camera again. And then I'm going to just show you real quick how to stick them in. It's more than obvious how to stick them in, but I'm going to off camera, I'm going to do the same thing to the felt one. Excuse me. And I'm going to do the same thing to more pieces when I get them. I'm going to buy the pieces little by little. But I just wanted to show you guys what it's going to look like somewhat once it's done. Let me move this. There we go. Good thing is that it's fabric, because if I didn't aim right, you know, just because I was guessing, I can kind of pull on the fabric and make it fit, right? So there's that, and then let me find some earrings. So grab your earrings and pull you guys back again. My God, I feel like a very bad cameraman. I'm so not used to doing this like this. Alright, so this is just an idea where you can keep all your earrings in one place and keep them in pairs. Find yourself your little spot. Ooh, stick your earring in, put your backing, and now you have a place where all of your earrings will be all together. If I can find the other one. See, that's going to be my next project, is going through every single earring, making sure that I have the pair and keeping them all together. I love this. I love this idea. Do it as neat as you want. Do it as messy as you want. Do it however you want. I'm going to try the fabric and see how that looks, because you can also put your earrings through this felt, but I'm kind of liking this grid thing. So I might just take it easy little by grids. But that's what I wanted to share with you guys. You can keep in here, I don't know, business cards, or you can keep these in there for extra pieces for something else that you may need. Or you can go ahead and stick these in, you know, give yourself the little fabric like I did and stick that in and use just these little strips. What else? You can keep dollar bills in there and start collecting dollar so that you can buy yourself some more earrings or some more grids. You can also cover this whole thing. This thing. Did that pop out? Yeah, it sure did pop out. Okay. Let's see. It's popping out a little bit. You see that? That's okay with me. It's hanging out a little bit is what I mean. So what you can do is to stabilize it, put yourself some plastic in here so that you can stabilize it a little bit more, or cardboard in here, and then put your grommets. Something you could put, slide something in there so that you could put grommets, so you could put the grommets so it stabilizes it a little better. But as I was saying, you can cover up the front however you want. There's a little, you know, piece in here. You could put some more fabric or a piece of paper or something like that. I need to get husband a towel. But anyways, you guys get my point. And I'll continue buying these and putting them in. And I'll catch you guys later. Please share with your friends. Hang on! Please share with your friends. Share me all over your social media. I'm very grateful, and please be aware that this is not the way I usually record, but I wanted to share with you guys me using my sewing machine, and that was my first project on that sewing machine. Catch you guys later. Bye.